Document history. There are 3 history panels: project, document, and patent. These history panels provide a glance of past research work that are published in KRSTE.my. Navigation for the history panels are the same. In each history panel, there are 3 sections: filter section, timeline section, and the data grid section. The data grid section is only visible in the Maximize view. In the filter option, you can filter the year range and other parameters. Default year range is based on the year of first content until year of the last content. To adjust the visible timeline, drag the lower scroll or higher scroll to desired year range. You can also filter by relevant parameters. Automatically, the content will be filtered according to the selection. Each node in the timeline is color-coded according to the legend. This legend corresponds to the content status. Only documents with published date are listed in the timeline. You can zoom in and zoom out of the year using the plus sign or the minus sign. To navigate left and right of the timeline, you can use the left or right arrow. Now let us maximize the history panel by clicking on the Maximize icon. You will see the list of documents that this person have, which has been captured in KRSTE.my shown in a timeline, and the corresponding data grid at the bottom. There are documents with status published identified by green node. Now let us display only documents from year 2010 till 2012. Drag the lower scroll to the right, till 2010 is displayed. Then drag the higher scroll to the left, till 2012 is displayed. After you drag the scroll, you will notice that the documents in the timeline section is automatically filtered. Filtering the data in the timeline does not affect the data in the data grid. Now let us reset the data back to its original value, by clicking on Clear Filter. To show documents from a certain organization, go to Organization, and click on Drop-down List and select Kuala Lumpur. Automatically, only documents published from Kuala Lumpur are displayed. Now let us reset the data back to its original value by clicking on Clear Filter. When you mouse over on the document in the timeline, you will see a brief information about the document. And when you click on the node, System display detail information about the document on another tab. Switch back to the History widget. You can also browse through your documents history using the grid panel. You will see the list of documents. You can navigate by clicking on the next page, if there are more pages to be displayed. Total documents retrieved are shown at the bottom of the panel, if there is more than 5 documents. There could be more documents listed in the data grid, because it includes documents without any start date. In the grid panel, you can sort the content by moving your mouse to the column header, where an arrow will appear at the column header. You will see a drop-down list with options to sort and also column name, that have been checked by default. You can choose to sort ascending or sort descending. You can untick at the column name to hide the column. You can view the detailed content of the document by clicking on the underlined title. System will display the detailed content in the next page. Switch back to the History widget. Click on Minimize icon. With the History widgets, in one glance you are able to view your project activity, publication and patents, that has been captured in KRSTE.my. Thank you.